Hello. Right now I would like to talk about let's say accessors and mutators, mutator methods, or the set and getter methods, if you want to say it in a simpler way. Accessor method, what it does is that it just accesses the method through the method it just returns, or just it's accessors. They don't change the state or behavior of the object, they just return the result. But the mutator, so accessor method does not change the state of its implicit parameters, and the mutator methods change the state of an object. So let me show you just an example how it works. For example, let's say we're creating a class for the banking system. For example, you deposit the money, you withdraw the money, and at the end, so withdrawing and depositing, it changes state of an object, right? And printing a balance or returning the balance, it doesn't change anything. So let's try this one. So we declare a variable that will be holding our money, private double deposit, and now we will start writing our constructor. So in our constructor will be public test2, as mentioned before. So constructor is the same name as test2 as the class name. So we'll say deposit equals 0. Let's say it's the initial state. So whenever a new bank account is opened, it's gonna just so you're not gonna have any money in there. And so we're gonna be creating a method now that you're gonna put inside some money, or you're gonna withdraw some money. Let's do it. Public void deposit money, and here we're gonna give, it's gonna take double and temporary local variable name amount, let's say, and what's gonna be is that deposit is gonna be equal, you could write deposit is gonna be equal to deposit plus amount. So what it does is that for example, if you put 1000 plus 0 is, and assigning itself to deposit is going to be 1000, and next time when you put in your money, it's going to be 1000 here, and the new amount of money that you deposit, for example 500, is going to be 1500. 1500 will be assigned to deposit, and so on. When you assign or when you insert more money, deposits will increase. But there's another way, special way of doing this, is that you could write something like this: plus an equal sign is the same thing as deposit is equal to deposit plus amount. So here we are just a mutator that inserts some money into the account, and we'll create another mutator that you can withdraw. Public void withdraw, it's also going to take a data type of double, because you want some precision amount. Yeah, we usually before used to say that it's better not to declare two variables of the same name, they might be overloading, but we're not going to have overload here because these ones are local variables. The lifetime of those local variables are inside these curly braces. Outside they're not recognized, so don't worry about that. And deposit is going to be opposite of this, withdraw is going to be opposite of deposit. So deposit minus equal amount. The same thing as minus whatever the amount is from the deposit and assign the remaining to deposit again, and this one is a shorter form of writing the same thing. And now what we want to do is we want to write a method that returns what money is left in the public double return balance, and it's gonna be return balance. So this is the simplest way. You just returning the you just return the you just put down the variable name and you write return. Sorry. Sorry, I just I wrote down here balance instead of deposit. That's why there was an error. So here what's happening is that we wrote our class and declared a variable called deposit of type double. It means it takes a double precision. Here we're declaring the constructor the initial value of deposit is 0. Here we got the method to insert some money, to deposit some money into our money account, bank account, and here we got the method to withdraw some money. And here what we got here is that to return how much money we got there left. So it's like returning the balance, returning the deposit. So now let's go and create test class for that. How we can do is that it's just simply the name of the test, the name of the class, and the variable name that will be holding that one. Let's say the name of the person, more equals new test 2. So again, I'm repeating it. You start with the name of the class that you want to create an object of, and then you create the variable name that will be referencing to that object class, and then here is as you got the constructors area, you say create a new test2 class, new test2 object. And now more will be holding all the methods that's publicly available to external or to outside classes. So here we got everything is in public, so we would be able to see and access those methods. So what's gonna happen here is that now we write more. When you press dot and through dot notation, it will give you the possible or available methods or functions that you can use. So we define the function deposit money. So we choose this one, we enter the amount of money that we want to deposit here, 100, and then we want to withdraw some money. Again, it's deposit. So here we did insert the money. In order just to clarify things, I'm just going to print out system out print line, and if you remember, we had the get method, right, that would print out how much money you have got left. So let's check that out now. and the same thing, we want to return the balance again after we withdraw this £40, let's say. And now let's see what's going to be the result here. As you can see, it's like a when we first insert the money it was 100 and we did print out the result, and next time we did withdraw £40 and then it's returning the balance after the minus, after the withdrawal. So that's all you got to know right now. It's a test methods, mutators that change the state of an object, and accessors that just access the state of an object and return the result. That's it.